comes to bleeding and air leak out of a pump, the water will always come into the front of a pump and come out through the top. I'm installing a brand new pump here, so it's dry. And one of the things I like to do just to make sure that this isn't going to have an airlock problem is actually get a watering can and put some water in the top. Because there's no water in the spa, I can't test it. If there's water in the spa, then I can just open up the valves and test it. But if you've got an air block, what you need to do is let it out. In this lower part of the system here, coming in through the heater tube into the circ motor, the air gets trapped and it can't get out, it gets locked in. You can see here the water goes up and then down again, so it can get locked. What you need to do is simply undo this lock union nut here, and that lets air out. You'll hear it's hissing, and then you've got an airlock when the motor's turning, but there's no water, no movement going on up inside. So you just open this up, just crack it a little bit until you hear it hissing, and then as soon as a bit of water comes out, close it. That'll show that the water's flowed through to that part. So that's how to do it. Another thing is when you fill the spa, actually put it in through the filters, lift out one of the filters and put the hose down the hole and fill it that way. That can be good to get water directly into this system, although they can also have bypass hoses, so that won't help at all, but sometimes that'll help as well. So filling the spa in through the filters is good, but if you do get an airlock, then that is the barrel union to undo this one. You can actually undo the bottom one as well, that'll get enough water through, but if you can get water right through to here, then that's obviously better. It'll then start up. The other thing to do is make sure that your valves are open. They need to be out and open. There'll always be two of those. Make sure that it's not flowing because of closed valves. Okay, good luck.